Hi, my name is Jennifer Pigeon from Sundance Media Group, and I want to take a moment to showcase the EV-Peak DY5 charger. This is a dual port charger so that you can take two of the Yuneec H520 batteries and charge them at the exact same time. The EV-Peak charger will actually charge these two batteries within an hour, whereas the Yuneec battery charger that comes with the H520 takes an hour and a half to charge one battery. So you've cut down your charge time significantly. The DY5 is great because it can actually be charged into your inverter on site wherever you are. The only slight drawback with this is that sometimes if you're in an office environment, you'll hear the fan running. It is a bit loud, but in this environment, we really don't care. So we love the EV-Peak charger as it is saving us time in the field and allows us to cycle through our batteries a whole lot faster. Not only do we love the DY5 charger because it will charge two batteries twice as fast, we also love it because it will properly store your batteries at the correct voltage. Thanks for taking the time to check out our video on the EV-Peak DY5 charger. I highly recommend this as an accessory for anyone who's busy in the field. You don't want to be caught charging with individual chargers when you have multiple batteries to go through, kind of like this. Definitely like to have multiples of these to charge many batteries in the field. Thank you for taking the time to watch us. My name is Jennifer Pigeon from Sundance Media Group. Check out our website at sundancemediagroup.com or feel free to sign up for our YouTube channel below.